work everywhere.
Yeah,
it seems like.
All right, let's bring in First Alert Chief Meteorologist Nick Marianos now for a look at our weather forecast. Not feeling bad out there, nothing we can't handle, right?
Yeah.
Just cooler temperatures, it's nice.
Yeah, especially how warm we start off the week, right?
Yes.
Temperatures near 90. Yeah, and now we're in the lower to mid 70s, which will be the case the next few days. There's a storm system just to our north. This leading to some cloud cover right now across the coastal ranges. You can see some showers just off the north coast right now. And that's a weak system that will bring in some showers tomorrow across the northern parts of the Sacramento Valley. I do think, and we think, most of our region will be staying dry, though, as we get at least into this weekend. Now, as you get down to the south, there's a big story developing weather-wise across parts of the southwest. There's already flash flood warnings in place right there on the California-Nevada state line, also up into Utah. This is moisture peeling north of what used to be Hurricane Priscilla. The storm itself is pretty far down to the south right now, but that will lead to widespread rainfall going in across much of the desert southwest. And our weather system, as we get into early next week, we've been following this. You've been paying attention to us over the last few days. We've been hinting at a storm system to impact our region next Monday into Tuesday. And we had a first alert action day on Monday, timing of which is a little bit slower now. So we're moving a first alert action day now to Tuesday. The cause of what's taking place, we have to look at what's happening over the Western Pacific. It's far away and everything is all connected, right? There was a typhoon that brushed off the coast of Japan. There it is right now, moving toward the east. And this will have ripple effects downstream, and this is what's going to influence our weather here. So overlaying the jet streams on the forecast map, this is the upper level wind pattern. As that system begins to work its way northward, it will cause a little bit of some buckling, a little bit of ripple effect downstream. And that's what's going to allow the storm system itself to push further south. Here's what I'm talking about. Futurecast getting into the next few days. You can see that energy moving northward toward Alaska, and then downstream comes this, and that's going to lead to an area of low pressure developing off the Pacific Northwest. That's going to advance down to the south. So as we get into Monday, we start to see some rainfall coming up along the coastline and along with an area of low pressure. Still some questions regarding the placement of that storm system and how strong that storm system will be, because the stronger it is, the better chance we tap into an atmospheric river, which will lead to areas of heavier rainfall and heavier snowfall amounts potentially as well for the Sierra. At this point, we think the greatest impacts with this will be Monday night into Tuesday as it throws a frontal boundary down to the south, and that will lead to much cooler weather in place. But the potential does exist for some decent amount of rainfall, also some accumulating snow, the first of the season in the Sierra. So you can see that there. For Tuesday is a first alert action day, low 60s, so a fall pattern to say the least. And we'll hold on to the active weather Monday night, Tuesday into early Wednesday for the higher elevations. Marley?